Hey guys, Paul from Top Course here. So we're over in this unit today, and we're doing some foundation repair, and I just wanted to share with you guys an interesting thing that we found here. Every once in a while we find something that really just blows my mind, and today's one of those days for sure. So let's take a look here. So what we see here is this step crack. It's actually repaired with joint compound and tape, drywall tape. You see that. That's certainly not a functional repair, and it's definitely not what you want to have your foundation repointed with. So we're going to go ahead and get those joints cleared out. We'll be able to do all the actual necessary masonry repairs to get this foundation back in good standing for the homeowner, and we're happy to be here and getting that going. So check back.